So we're here in Bordeaux.
We're
Hello.
trying to explore the city.
We're exploring the city by foot. By tram. Nice lovely weather. So that's the tram. So we're now in, I don't know where this place is.
Bordeaux.
Of
Town.
course, Bordeaux or wherever.
Old
this
town.
is. Look at the lovely city.
Yeah.
Ikot.
Wow.
Wow. So we're walking along the Pont de Pierre, or the bridge of stone. And this is how it looks like. There's nothing to see here. Okay, so we've just gone down the Pont de Pierre, and this is what you can see. The Pont de Pierre was built, I think, by Napoleon, and each of the arc has letters of his name.
Diba wala tong bakal, no?
We're climbing the tower of the
Bordeaux Cathedral.
Bordeaux Cathedral.
And it's actually 114 meters
114 meters
high.
and it costs €5 to get here.
It was built in 1473. Never much war.
How did you know that?
Saan ba? Never touched by the war as it was parang hindi ko kaya.
Papaguling ka na. Pagkatapos, magbabayarin ka pa. So, we climbed the 100-meter tall tower. As you can see, we're very tired, out of breath. This is the view. Very nice. Look at that. Okay. Oh my god. That was a climb. What a climb. And what a show inside the crypt. Okay, so that was the Tower of Saint Michel, or the Tour de Saint Michel. It's the bell tower of the Church of St. Andrew. And we're exploring other parts of the city. So see you later. See you later. Bye bye.
De la République. La République, c'est ça. Vous la voyez, vous la trouvez comment? On a dit, vous l'avez comment? Fort.